Hi, in this video I'll show how to convert old Excel files, XLS files, into IBM SPSS statistic application. You can see on my computer I have my bank data XLS. I can open it into Excel. I don't have Excel installed, I have only Excel mobile. It's a free version of Excel. It's just showing what is inside application, what is inside Excel file. And you can see I have a date, amount, status and number is empty fields, PE, memo, and category is memo is empty, but PE and category contains data. So I'm gonna convert this file into IBM SPSS statistic file save with application I'll download from my website. So let me show you. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find type, I click on search and type SPSS, and I need this create SPSS file page, and not that SPSS file page, and then I will click on XLS to SPSS. XLS is like old Excel format, and then click on download, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on how to create SPSS statistics files, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We're waiting for archive to be downloaded on my computer. It's a relatively small archive, it's 6 megabyte, 6 or 7 megabyte data. Yep, I'll click on downloaded archive. Then to open it, then double click on MSI inside archive and click more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click on anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3-step process. In step 1 I have to select files I'd like to convert, and I click on this button, navigate to my file. It's called my bank info, my bank data XLS, this one, and click on open. Then after I have file here, I click on next step. Here, if first row of your Excel file contains column names, which is the case we have, so I'll keep it checked. Then here I can select columns I'd like to convert to SPSS files. So I can click select all, or if I know, for example, like status, number, and memo empty columns, I'll just uncheck it, click on next step. And on final step, I'll click run to create file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location XLS to SPSS is okay. Location my documents, click save. And you can see file has been created. Now let's go to statistics and open file. I'll click on open, navigate to my file. It's the last one. Yep. Click on open here. And you can see data has been successfully converted into statistics, and yeah, basically that's it. We converted our XLS file to statistics. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video. Thank you.